Hello everyone, I'm Weishan from Group CONAN. In this stage, I'm going to explain how to convert an infix expression into postfix expression by using postfix notation. So let's look at the example provided in the slide. We solve from left to right, and the first we solve is bracket, second is multiple operator and divide operator, and last finally we solve the plus and minus operator. So in the first bracket you can see it contains a multiple b minus d divided by f. So a multiple b, we solve it first. To convert it into postfix expression, a multiple b will becomes to a b multiple. That is because a and b is an operand, multiple is an operator. To convert to postfix expression, we put the operand in front and the operator at the end. So a multiple b becomes to a b multiple. After a multiple b is done, there is minus d divided by f. Because we got divided, so we solve it first. D divided by f. Same step, the operand in the front, d, f, and operator at the end. So divide operator at the end. So this two is the result of a multiple b and d divided by f. And still we got a subtract operator we did not solve. So we copy the result we just do, a b multiple df divided, and last we put the subtract operator at the end. And this is the result of the first bracket. After we solve the first bracket, there is subtract and still we got a bracket, so we solve the bracket first. Inside the bracket we got a small bracket, so we solve it first. The small bracket contains a minus b, so a minus b becomes to ab minus in postfix expression. So the small bracket we already solved. And then outside the small bracket, we got divided by c plus d. So we solve the divided first. ab minus and divided by c becomes to c divide. After the divide is solved, we still got plus d. So we copy the a, b minus c divide, and last we put the plus d become to d plus in postfix expression. So the second bracket we already solved. So still we got a minus operator. So we copy the first bracket and second bracket results ab multiple df divided and minus, and second result is ab minus c divide d plus, and last we put the subtract operator at the end. And after we solve all of the operand and operator of the question, this is the final result of the infix expression convert to postfix expression. This is the final result. And I hope you guys can understand my explanation. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you.
Thank you, Weishan, for explaining the conversion from infix notation to postfix notation. I'm Kok Chuan from Group CONAN, and I'll be responsible for showcase the illustration of stack diagram. So as you can see here, we have the expression of m equals a times b minus d divided by f minus bracket a minus b divided by c plus d. But how do we put them into a stack diagram? So to do this, we will first put our very first operand, which is a, into the bottom column. Then we will put the second operand, which is b, into the middle column. And then we will drag the operand b down, and we will automatically have the operator of multiply, which forms the expression of a times b. Next, we want to put d in the middle column and f in the top column, and followed by that, we will drag the f down to put an expression of d divided by f. Then we can drag this expression down into the bottom column, which will form an expression of a times b minus d divided by f. Now the first expression is complete. We want to do the second expression. So to do this, we will do the same with the first expression as well, which is to put the first operand and second operand respectively into the bottom middle column and the top column. And then we will drag the b down to form an a minus b expression. Followed by that, we will put c operand at the top. Since we have no space to put any more operands already, we prioritize to drag c first down, which would form an expression of bracket a minus b divided by c. Then we will have slot now, so we can put d at top column, and then we will drag the d down, which forms an expression of a minus b divided by c plus d. Finally, we want to form the complete expression of infix notation. To do that, we simply have to drag it down, and now we will form an expression infix notation of a times b minus d divided by f minus bracket a minus b divided by c plus d. Thank you.